Truth seekers, welcome to a video that's about to torch everything you've been told about love. Today, we're diving into the science of cheating and why monogamy is a lie we've all been sold. This is raw, evolutionary truth, backed by cross-cultural data and savage examples that'll make romantics squirm. Subscribe, smash that like, and let's unravel the myth of forever. Monogamy sounds sweet, but biology begs to differ. A 2018 study in the journal Frontiers in Ecology and Evolution found only 3% of mammals are truly monogamous. Humans? Not so much. Cheating's wired into us, and the data proves it. So, romantics, you can clutch your wedding vows and cry, "True love conquers all," but science says your partner's probably eyeing the exit. Let's break it down with evolutionary triggers and hard facts. First, the evolutionary angle. Men cheat to spread their genes. A 2019 study in evolutionary psychology found men are more likely to pursue short-term flings, driven by a primal urge to maximize offspring. Women cheat for better genes or resources. A 2020 study in the Journal of Sex Research showed women are more likely to stray when they're ovulating, seeking superior mates. Real story: Jake, a married accountant, hooked up with a coworker during a conference. Why? He admitted, "She was hot and I couldn't resist." His wife, Sarah, had an affair with her gym trainer, saying, "He made me feel alive." Biology doesn't care about your ring. Cross-cultural studies bury monogamy deeper. A 2017 anthropological study in the journal Cross-Cultural Research found 70% of societies historically allowed polygamy or extramarital affairs. Monogamy's a recent invention, pushed by religion and property laws, not nature. In modern times, a 2022 global survey by Durex found 42% of people admit to cheating at least once. France, 51%. Brazil, 48%. Even traditional Japan clocks in at 30%. Monogamy's not universal. It's a fairy tale we're force-fed. Romantics, you'll swear your culture's different, but your spouse's late-night texts say otherwise. Now, the triggers. Boredom's a big one. A 2021 study in the Archives of Sexual Behavior found couples in long-term relationships cheat when novelty fades, usually around year 7. Power's another. A 2019 study showed high-status men and women, CEOs, celebrities, are 40% more likely to cheat, craving variety their status affords. Real story: Lisa, a corporate exec, slept with her intern because "I'm in charge, why not?" Her husband, a teacher, cheated with a barista, saying, "I needed to feel wanted." Monogamy's a cage, and humans keep picking the lock. Social media's the ultimate cheat machine. A 2023 study from the Journal of Social and Personal Relationships found 25% of affairs start online, with Instagram DMs and Snapchat fueling temptation. Dating apps make it easier. 30% of Tinder users are in relationships, per a 2022 survey. Real story: Mike caught his girlfriend sexting a guy from TikTok. She said, "It's not real, it's just flirty." Meanwhile, Mike was messaging his ex on WhatsApp. Everyone's cheating and nobody's shocked. Romantics, you'll say, "Not my partner." Check their phone, then come back. The savage truth? Monogamy's a lie because humans aren't built for it. A 2020 study in Nature Human Behavior found our brains reward novelty. New partners spike dopamine like a drug. Staying faithful fights our wiring, which is why 50% of marriages end in divorce, per 2023 CDC data, and half of those cite infidelity. Even happy couples cheat. A 2018 study found 20% of satisfied spouses still stray. Monogamy's not love, It's a contract most people break. What's the takeaway? Stop pretending monogamy's natural. Embrace reality. Humans crave variety. Open relationships, casual flings, or brutal honesty. Pick what fits. Stop shaming cheaters. They're just human. Share this video because the truth about cheating needs to go viral. Drop a comment. Have you seen monogamy fail? Like this if you're done with the fairy tale. Subscribe and hit the bell for more science-backed wake-up calls. Monogamy's dead, and it's time we buried it. Stay real, stay savage.